Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with keep. Firstly, keep around. This means to have something or someone nearby. For example, Dad, I fancy a fizzy drink. Okay, I always keep some cola around. Next is keep away. This means to stay at a distance or to prevent someone or something from coming close. For example, keep away from my daughter. She's too young for you. Keep from. This means to stop someone doing something or hide information from someone. I've been keeping this from my girlfriend for a while. Today, I'm going to propose. Keep in. This means to not allow someone or something out or not express emotions or thoughts. It's too hot, so the animals must be kept in today. And finally, keep up. This means continue at the same pace, continue doing something well, or stop someone from sleeping. We'll be keeping the neighbours up tonight. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.